So for today's assignment, you're going to click on the link in the folder and it will take you to this document. You cannot type on this document. You need to go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Once you do that, then you have a document that you can type on. You are going to start off by completing the definitions at the top of the table. And if you don't remember the definitions, you can go into yesterday's folder and look in the reading for the definitions for these 3 words from yesterday. Then you're going to fill this part out. If an element has all 3 of these properties, luster, malleable, and conductive, it is a metal. If an element has none of the 3, that means it lacks luster, which means it's dull. It is not malleable, which means it's brittle. And it is a poor conductor, which means it's an insulator. It is a nonmetal. If it has any combination of properties of both metals and nonmetals, that means if it has at least one, but not all of these properties, it is a metalloid. But also, if you see the word semiconductive, that is going to mean that it is a metalloid. So what you're going to do for your assignment is you're going to be completing this table. So following this table, there are a bunch of elements. You're going to look at the properties of the elements, and you are going to complete this table, and then you're going to determine if it is a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid. So for example, we start with carbon. Carbon does not conduct electricity, so for conductive, it's a no. It breaks into pieces when hit with a hammer, which means it is not malleable. And it is dull, which means it does not have luster. So since I have 3 no's, which means it has none of the properties, I put nonmetal. So you're just going to go through for each element and fill in the table. If you have 3 no's, it is a nonmetal. If you have 3 yeses, it is a metal. Everything else is a metalloid. So you're going to fill this table out and then submit this to today's assignment.